All right, I'm going to show you how to send and use stickers. Go to Messages, pick a conversation, and next to where you'd type your text, you'll see a little plus icon. Tap that, and all kinds of fun options will appear. Choose Stickers, and you can browse and search all kinds of stickers. Stickers are basically these small animated images that you can use to spice up your conversations. You can find stickers for pretty much anything, and you can also create your own. And they just give your messages more emotion and personality compared to the usual static emojis. I mean, look at that cute little taco dancing there. That's what stickers are all about. Stickers are slightly different from GIFs, which is another animated format you can share in your messages. Stickers are usually small illustrations on a transparent background, while GIFs often have real-world content, showing things like memes, movie clips, reactions, etc. They're very similar, but technically different. When it comes to sending stickers, most people just stick to the search bar here. But if you want, you can actually make your own custom stickers from scratch. It's a bit more involved, so I'll save that for a dedicated video. Basically, you can lift subjects directly from your gallery photos, or combine emojis into unique mashups, or use generative AI and apps like Google Photos to turn text prompts and snapshots into shareable graphics. And that's Stickers on Android. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more easy guides like this.